Don't think that because you are children, you should spend your time in frivolous activities. Just become engaged, because this is the most important responsibility, and that should be the only goal. Even from our childhood, one should cultivate this knowledge. That is when the father and mother comes in. Although the spiritual master has the most important responsibility to guide the living entities on the spiritual path, but when the child is born and when he's at home, when he's a Kaumaram stage, 5-year-old, then it's the parents, mother and father, should give him the guidance. Which means the mother and father also has to be Krishna conscious. So that is how the perfect society is developed. In the family, the father and mother are fulfilling the spiritual responsibility towards their children. Then the girl gets married, then it's the responsibility of the husband to guide her on the spiritual path. So this is how everybody must accept this as their responsibility, to guide their subordinates onto the spiritual path. And if they can't do that, the purpose of this progress in spiritual path means freedom from the cycle of birth and death. As long as we remain in the material platform, we are susceptible to birth and death. But it's only being situated in the spiritual platform, recognizing our spiritual identity, we actually transcend the bodily platform.